Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the Aussie dollar, I still think this is going to be a big WXY. I still think it needs to go up on the monthly, eventually take out the high wave W to finish off the three waves up for W, three waves down for X, and most likely three waves up for the wave Y, which the wave A of Y and the wave C of Y should be a trend on shorter time frames. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly, I'm still looking at this first push up as a wave 1 of C. I still think this push down is a wave 2 of C. I still think it's eventually going to make its way up and make a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave Y, I believe. Just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily, I'm still looking at this 5 waves up as a wave 1, and this right here is definitely a trend. A, 1, 2, 3 up. B, I mean, this move down is kind of 3 waves, and a lot of the other dollar pairs do kind of look like they could make a wave 4, a wave 5 before they actually do turn up, which is definitely a very likely possibility. But we do have a Fibonacci bounce. We do seem to have a pretty strong Aussie right now, so I would definitely be looking possibly for a break of structure to help confirm that maybe this really is the end of an ABC correction. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame, we do have a very nice looking 5 waves down right here. 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 3, ABC of 4, and 5. Nice little 3, 4, 5 shape right at the 78%. We do have, it didn't really quite break structure, but I think it is going to break structure. Obviously, I would call this first move up either an A or 1. And then at the end in the next pullback, which would be a correction to the move up, either a B or a 2. That's where I would definitely be looking to try to get long, and then I would learn and earn at the same time whether it's a C, which a C would look like that before it turned back down, or if it's a wave 3. If it's a wave 3, then we definitely should better recognize it as a wave 3, and we should better hold on to our longs for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I think it's very clear what we got here, which is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably like I was explaining on the 4 hour, either wave A or wave 1. Eventually, maybe even this afternoon or maybe tomorrow morning, I think it's going to start making its way down for either a wave B or a wave 2. Then we should get a nice long opportunity for a wave C or a wave 3. Now there's no guarantee it's even going to make this wave B or 2 after breaking the wave 4 high. I mean, it could just keep on making higher highs, higher lows. I think it's likely after it breaks the high of wave 4 that it'll probably make a pullback for a wave B or the wave 2, which for us is great news because that should give us an opportunity to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and gives you access to my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.